Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we make a withdraw. Or some people are saying that City Passive is a scam, it is scam, doesn't pay. So I'm going to do a live withdraw this video. I also show you some payment proofs I've so far received in the previous months. So as you can see, I've logged into my account here. These are my balances. In the repurchase, I have $4, cash balance $100, and this is my total commission. This is my total team. So what we go do here, we go to finance, we go to request withdraw. It will open this page. As you can see in the cash balance, they are $100, repurchase they are $4. So in this video, I'm going to withdraw $100. No, let me withdraw 50 and I buy some packs using the $50. So I'll go to amount here. Let me put 50. It will withdraw from the cash balance. There is a charge, of course, withdraw fee, 5% and $1, so I'll be able to receive $46. So I go to submit. My first car. This is my secret. You guys don't know it. And I've changed this question for just the illustration purposes of these videos. So submit. Request has been sent successfully. So as you can see, it is pending here. All these withdrawals have been made. As you can see, they are paid. They are ticked here in green. They have been paid. So City Passive is paying. It is not a scam as some people are shouting on the internet. So let me use the other balance to buy packs here. Buy positions. Each position is $5. I have 54 and I'm also going to use this. So 54 and 4, that is 58. So I can only buy packs worth $55. Those are 11 packs. So I'll choose the cash balance plus repurchase. I want to repurchase first from the repurchase balance. So I put 11 packs here. That is $55. I enter the captcha. 33. And I pay now. I've bought packs. So if I'm to go back to my account balance, my packs have increased so far to this. So let us look at the withdrawals that we are made today. I'll have to first log out and I look at the recent payments. So these are the payments that we are made today. As you can see, it is the 17th. These are the members. This is the amount of money that was paid to them. You can open the second page also. You can see them. All these have been paid. So the site is paying. People shouldn't shout so much. It is not paying. All these members we are paid today. As you can see, we have some big hitters. This guy, $900, $200, $200, 130, 83. So we can go to another page also and see. As you can see, we are being paid. All those we are paid today, 17th. All those. So the site is paying, and if you have some few bitcoins to invest or perfect money, just put it in the site. It pays 1.5% of the packs you bought in 100 days. So it means that each pack will have to generate a profit of 50% in 100 days. So that is City Passive. It is a paying site. You guys come and invest your money here. The admin is known. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. You can see some tutorials under this video, and also if you are not yet a member here, my link is down in the description. You can as well join it. Okay, see you in another video.